Rumble. Grudge match. Whatever. Alright. When the builders are ready, if they could give me a thumbs up or affirmative. Alright, looks like we got thumbs up all around. We're gonna start this match in 3, 2, 1. Fight, robots, fight! Majin Bool there, the lifter 3-pound robot.
Alright, let's go!
If you notice, they do not have any dangerous, sparky weapons like some of the other robots. That's because they are of a sportsman class. This limits the amount of kinetic energy they can store in a given weapon for a given tooth count or pointiness. Alright, Majin Bool getting a solid lift there on Sandstorm. Sandstorm driving around like he's got magnets or something. And there's little Briklit trying its best with its little plastic knives. Trying to bribe everybody. Are those quarters? Oh, those are quarters on those knives. Sandstorm has a rubber wheel for a weapon instead of the typical metal weapon, allowing it to still gyro dance and do all the silliness. Uh-oh. For a second there, I thought the robot had gone out of commission. Believe it or not, we still have 1 minute and 30 seconds on the clock. This has been very exciting. Ooh, Majin Bool getting a nice strong pin there. Trying to lift, but not quite hitting it. I don't know what that other robot's doing, but it's doing it very slowly.
This is so slow. So hard.
Aww, they love each other. Alright, we got a little under 1 minute left in this match. Remember folks, this is going to go to an audience decision, so if you're going to pay attention now. There's 30 seconds left on the clock. Wow, Sandstorm bouncing around. Alright, we're going to have a 10-second countdown to end this match. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's your match, folks. Alright, so I think that we had kind of 2 teams there. So if we can get Sandstorm to back up into the blue corner. Roxy, are you stuck? Oh, okay. Alright. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we've got 2 teams. We had Sandstorm, the robot that's moving around there with the white and purple, and Briklit, the one with the little plastic knives and quarters.
Not the way around.
And then the other robots we had were Majin Bool and Chip Tooth Robot Guy, Flippy.
Yeah, oh, it's the other way around.
What?
This is one team, that's the other team.
Oh, I'm sorry, I mixed them up. So Majin Bool and Briklit.
Yeah.
And then we had Sandstorm and Chip Tooth Robot. Alright, so if you think the robot team that won this match was Majin Bool and Briklit, go ahead and make some noise. If you think the team that won this match was Sandstorm and Chip Tooth Robot, make some noise. Okay, that was a pretty obvious Majin Bool. Wave for the fans, Majin Bool. There we go.